take 3. I've got this thing all assembled, and now when I power it up I'm getting a whining noise, and I'd like to record it here. If anybody can notice anything out of place and let me know what I've got hooked in incorrectly. I think I got all the leads back together correctly, but here we go. You hear that noise? I'd sure like to know what it is because it doesn't sound proper. Anyway, when I do power it on, I can do all of the buttons and everything, but I can't tell where exactly the sound is coming from. So what would be making this noise, and what is that an indicator of? Do I have something wired backwards or what? Thank you.